ready to turn your passion into profit and launch your very own online empire. Let's dive into building your Shopify store, step by step. First things first, head over to Shopify.com and click that Start Free Trial button. You'll need to enter your email address, create a password, and let Shopify know a bit about your business idea, like what you plan to sell, and if you're already making sales, don't worry. This is just to get you started. Once you're in, you'll land on your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your command center. Our first mission is to add your initial products. Click on Products in the left-hand menu, then hit Add Product here. You'll input your product's title, a compelling description, and importantly, upload some high-quality images. You can also set your pricing and inventory details here. Now for the visual appeal. Browse through Shopify's extensive theme store to find a look that perfectly matches your brand. You can filter by free or paid, and by industry. Click Add to install your chosen theme. Don't be afraid to experiment to find the best fit. After selecting a theme, it's time to make it yours. Click Customize under your active theme. This opens the theme editor, where you can tweak everything from your logo and color scheme to your homepage layout and the navigation menu. Play around with sections, add images, and make your store truly unique. Before you officially launch, let's get your settings in order. Navigate to Settings in the bottom left corner here. You'll configure your store details, shipping rates, and payment gateways. Connect your preferred payment providers so customers can easily make purchases from your store. And that's it. With your products added, your theme customized, and your settings configured, your Shopify store is ready to welcome your first customers. You've officially launched your e-commerce business.